Hello, and thank you for volunteering at the 2022 Chattanooga Motor Car Festival. My name is Susie and I am the volunteer manager. You have signed up to work the Great Race Ride Along crowd management position. This position is located in the West Village in the Peach drive-through parking lot. The primary responsibility of this position includes assisting with crowd management. You will need to make sure pedestrians are alert and aware of moving vehicles, since this parking lot will have ride-along departures regularly. The departures are scheduled every 10 minutes beginning at 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. This position will also be responsible for making sure lines are formed in a first-come, first-served basis, or by appointment time, and that those waiting to participate in the ride-along are standing in the line safely. The shift's start and end date and time can be found in your personalized volunteer packet that you will receive at registration. This video is only your position orientation. All volunteers are required to attend an in-person registration to pick up your packet and volunteer t-shirt. Please check your email for the date and time of your registration.